What's up, Fireball? What's up? Okay, what's up, everybody? It's your girl, Fireball, the only one, the hottest. Don't forget that wearing Lil Wayne clothing line. You guys, I'm outside spending time with my doggies. My little doggies. Say hey to them, Bruno. To my doggies. To my doggies. And the other one over here, the big jealous one. You the big baby. You're a big baby. Come here, my big baby. My big baby. My big baby. The big baby. You big baby. Yeah, she's a big baby. And she hate when I give the other dog more attention. She never likes that. She like, I was here first. Not finna take all my attention. You guys, that dog over there, right here, he's 10 weeks. She is 8 months. They're both not related. They're not related. They're different dogs. They're both blue blood pit bulls. And I'm about to go feed them. Morgan, get Bruno feeding bowl. Get that feeding bowl. And perhaps, maybe when crying, you got your legs spread up. Okay, pass me, go get Bruno's. You guys, my dogs is named Bruno and Blue. This is Bruno. And the other one you saw was Blue. It's down here, down there. Yeah, Blue is a girl, Bruno is a boy. Y'all see Blue trying to follow us? Right here? Yeah. What those ski? So right now, okay, so right now I'm about to go feed them. They already eat too much. Go ahead! I live in the country. I live on a very, very, very busy street. So you guys, I'm about to feed the cute little tails. Feed. Damn. Starting with the baby. This is where we keep everything. Crackles. You guys, I made up a new word. It's called crackles. My chainsaw. What do you do with the food? What do you do with the dog's food? Wow. This is a big truck. But let me get the dog settled and I will be back.